Hi, I'm going to show you how to do a custom pad shape in a footprint in Altium Designer. My name is Jerry with Crazy Tree Engineering. First, you want to open one of your PCB library documents, and let's go ahead to the library tab down here, PCB library tab, and let's add a new footprint. Now, let's go up here and add what we want to do is what's called a solid region. Now, this lets you do a polygon shape of whatever shape you want to do. What you do is you just start clicking points here. Let's do a point here. Come down here. Maybe square it up a little bit, like that. And let's just do this is what you see a lot of times, just a little notch taken out of it like that. You'll see it in a lot of data sheets. What you want to do is go to the properties on it over here. Make sure that you've got it on the top layer or the bottom layer. You can do one or the other, but basically a copper layer. And then you want to turn on the paste mask using the rules and the solder mask using the rules. And that turns on the paste mask for creating your stencil and the solder mask for where the solder mask is going to go around the component. Now you have yourself here a pad, and if we look at it in 3D, you can see that it's a pad, but it doesn't have a designator. That's not 1, 2, or 3. What I found out is the easiest way to do that is basically take another pad, and we'll take this pad and change it from a multi-layer to just a single top layer, the same as that one. And then I just set the size relatively small so it fits inside of the new polygon that we created. Now we'll keep it as 1. I mean, we can change that to whatever it wants, but when we put this in the middle of here, now this pad is number 1 and the whole pad is that designator. So once that you bring it into the schematic editor and link them, number 1 will be that entire pad.